Good morning, everyone. How are you all, children? Fine. Today we are going to start our topic singular and plural noun. Okay? We'll have a look on our next slide. What you can look over here? Singular noun, one person, one place, one thing, or one idea. Okay, that is the meaning of singular noun. Girl is there, only one girl. Books is there, book is there, correct? Butterfly and one table is there. So it came in what? It came in the singular noun. So simple. Singular noun meaning is singular noun refers to one person, one place, one thing, or one idea. That is the meaning of singular noun. So simple. Okay. When one thing is there, we are going to call that singular noun. Okay. We will look to the next slide. Now here it is, the book is on the table. Where is the book? The book is on the table. So books are not there now, only one book is there. Came in the singular noun. ठीक है? The cat went into the house. Only one cat is there. So cat went into the house. House is also one. So what it is? Singular noun. Getting? We'll look the next one. Plural noun. Plural noun means more than one person, place, thing or idea. ठीक है? Pencil is there. One pencil is there? No. 2, 3 pencils are there. ठीक है? So it is the plural noun. Okay, if one pencil is there, then it is the singular noun. If 2, 3 pencils are there or more than that, then it is a plural noun. Getting? 2 dogs are there. It is a plural noun. 4, 5 flowers are there. So it is a plural noun or singular noun? Plural noun. Very good. Now here 3 girls are there. 3 best friends. So what are they? Singular or plural? Plural noun. ठीक है? Children, when 2, 3 person are there, place is there, thing is there or idea is there. ठीक है? So it is nothing but your plural noun. And only one thing is there, one girl, one pencil, one car. So it came in the singular noun. Getting everyone? We'll have a look in the next slide. Yes. Now children, you know how you will judge that when we need to do the plural and when how it will come in the singular. So some certain rules are there. Some rules we need to follow. Okay. Look, to make regular noun plural, add s to the end. Now here you will look, one pen is there. ठीक है? And in the next picture you will look 2, 3 pens are there. ठीक है? More than 2, 3 pens are there. Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ठीक है? 6 and plus 1 small pencil. ठीक है? So 7 are there. Correct? More than 1. So pens I have written over here. Pen, pens. ठीक है? When one pen is there, so how you are going to change it? In the pens. To make regular noun plural, it is pen is the singular noun. Only one is there. Now you need to make it plural. What you will do? You will directly put s. One pen. In the next picture, too many pens. So pen, pens. Getting? We'll look in the next slide. Now look, if the singular noun ends in s, ठीक है? If the singular noun ends in s, double s, sh, ch, x, o and z, then what you need to do? You need to add es to make it plural. ठीक है? Like here you will look in the picture, tomato is there. Okay, one tomato is there. It means singular noun. Okay, now in the last what word is there? O is there. Correct. So O, it is written over here if the singular noun ends in s, double s, sh, ch, x, o and z. So O came over here. Then you need to add es to make it plural. ठीक है? In the next picture, too many tomatoes are there. ठीक है? So tomato in the last O is there. Then you will add es to make it plural. Getting everyone? So tomato, tomatoes. Es added in the last. Getting? Pakka? Fine. So we'll look the next one. When a singular noun ends with y. ठीक है? When a singular noun ends with y, then change y and add ies to make it plural form. Now here you will look, baby is there. How many baby? Only one. So in the last what is there? Y is there. So when your word in the singular noun in the last y is there, then to make it plural, what you will add? IES. In the next picture, how many babies are there? 3. Correct. So how you will write babies? Directly cut it y and write it IES. Add it IES into that. So one baby and it changed into babies. Baby is your singular form and babies is your plural form. Getting, children? So when your last word ends with y, you will add IES to make it plural form. Getting clear to everyone? We'll look the next slide. Now here it is, children, if the singular noun ends with y, okay, and the letter before y vowel is there, then add s to make it plural. Okay. Now here you will look what I have written, toy, T-O-Y. So y is in the end. Okay. But before y what is there? O. That is your vowel. Vowel is what? A-E-I-O-U. So O is there and O is your vowel. So what you will do? In the last of y you will add s. That is toy, toy. Okay. Toy, toys to make it plural. Okay. So when any singular noun ends with y and before y your vowel is there, so in the end you will add s. Okay, that is the meaning toy, toys. Getting? Okay, we'll look the next one. Now look, children, I have put some word over here. Okay, that is for your practice. Now in this side, letter, latch, lady, boy, these everything is written in the singular form. Okay, you need to make it plural. How you will do? Letter is there. Letter, letters. Okay, simple form, simple singular noun is there. You need to make it in a plural form. So letter, letters. Latch is there. What our second rule says, when the singular noun ends with in the last ch, ss, sh. Correct. Then what you need to add? You need to add es. Look, here it is. You need to add es. If the singular noun ends in s, ss, sh, ch, x, o and z, then what you need to add to make it plural? You need to add es to make it plural. So here is the word in the last ch. So what you are going to add to make it plural? You will add es. So latch, latches. Getting, clearing right now? In the next third one, lady is there. So in the last what is there? Y is there. Okay, so look, here is when a singular noun ends with y, change y and add IES to make it plural form. So here it is ending with y. So what you will add? You will add IES to make it plural. So lady, ladies. Getting clearly, everyone? Fine. So in the last, look, boy is there. Okay, what I have done, we have done right now, if the singular noun ends with y, and the letter before y vowel is there, then you will add s. So here boy is there, y in the end, before y what is there? O is there. O is what? Your vowel. Vowel is what? A-E-I-O-U. O came in that. So you will change this to by adding s. So boy, boys. Getting, everyone? We'll revise one more time. Look. Here is one pen. Okay, it is a regular noun. Okay, so when the regular noun is there, you need to only add s to that. So pen, pens. Here only one pen is there. So pen, you will change into pens. Here many pens is there. So what you will add? Only s. Okay. Next one is if the singular noun end with s, ss, sh, ch, x, o and z, then what you are going to add? Es you will add. Tomato, what you have done? Tomatoes. Okay. Bus, if I'll give the example, bus, what you will do? Buses. B-U-S-E-S. Okay. If I'll give dish, okay, dish, D-I-S-H. In the last, what is there? S-H. If you will look, here is S-H. Correct. So what you will do? You will add E-S. Dish, dishes, to make it in a plural form. Getting clearly? Next one is when a singular noun ends with y. Okay, when the singular noun ends with y, then what you are going to add? You are going to add IES to make it in a plural form. Here baby is there, so you have written babies. You have add what? IES. Same way if something cherry is there, CHERRY. So in the cherry, Y is there in the end. So what you will add? IES. Cherry, cherry, CHERRIES. Getting clearly now? Next one is if the singular noun ends with Y. ठीक है, अगेन इफ द सिंगुलर नाउन एंड्स विथ वाई but the letter before y vowel is there, then what you will add? You will add only s to make it plural form. Like here it is written toy, toys. ठीक है, key, keys. Now KEY, y is there in the end, but before y what is there? E. What is your vowel? AEIOU. So E is coming. ठीक है, so what you will add in the last? S. So key, keys, KEYS. Getting everyone clearly? Fine. So children, this way right now you have so many time at home, correct? You are spending too much time. So whatever the you only look around your house, your room, whatever the thing is there, pen is there, your bed is there, then your clothes are there. ठीक है, so write it down in your notebook, whatever the thing is there inside your room, okay, and try to make it in a plural form by using these all things. ठीक है, by using these all formulas. Getting everyone? In your notebook just write it down, whatever the thing is there inside your house, inside your room, and try to convert it in the plural form by using these all rules. Okay, so everyone kindly understand it careful, children. Still you have any problem, please comment. Okay, till then, bye bye everyone, take care, be at home. Bye bye children, kindly like, subscribe and share my channel.